Have you ever been just scrolling through your camera roll and you scroll all the way to the bottom and it's those pictures? Those pictures of you a few years ago doing this thing at this place. And you kind of just look at those pictures and you realize, wow, I've changed so much. I almost remember taking that picture and it felt like it was just nothing, and now I look back at it. It makes me realize how much I've changed, honestly. Years ago when I used to play video games all the time, when I had never stepped outside, never touched grass, it really documented the milestones that I had in my life, because I remember also taking pictures when I was at certain events or something happened in my life. Like, I remember taking pictures when I literally just relapsed, literally on the toilet, bro. It's terrible. But I also took pictures when I'm at school doing something. It's the last day of school. I'm at this sports event. I made my first dollar online. I'm at this school place. I remember I saw those transformation videos. Like, I took a picture of myself every single day for, I don't know, 20 years. People have been doing that. So I just thought, what if I did that myself? The same day I did that too, I was watching some mewing video a year ago before it was way popular like it is right now. And it really gave me that extra motivation, some cool little thing of just taking a little selfie of where I'm at. I took those pictures as documents of little bullet points and timelines in my life. And I made sure to get into a situation that I wanted to get into, like being at this cool place, being at some sports event, and made sure I didn't get to the places where I was relapsing or it's 11 p.m. and I just played a bunch of video games. And it also made me realize that I looked pretty clapped, and it gave me a lot of motivation to change, it really did. Because if you're not sure who I am, I'm Timothy, and I'm starting to make money online. I'm doing cooler things, doing cool experiences in my life, and I just feel happier with my life. And so many times I took those selfies and pictures of myself when I was playing Valorant, when I was playing some random video game. But I'm gonna be completely honest, bro. I'm not even mad that I spent so many hours playing video games. You know, all those pictures that I've taken when I relapsed. Because it honestly gave me so much motivation. Pretending to be on your phone when like someone walks by or you're just passing the time and you're just scrolling through your phone. Well, I would open the gallery app and I'd scroll through my photos and just see the photos of where I relapsed or did this thing. And it just motivated me so much to let that not happen again or do something else. I really hope you can do the same, because it's a cool little tradition thing that I've been doing, just taking selfies of cool things in my life. So an action step I want you to do right now is to take a selfie. Pretend like it's the mewing video. This is the day you're actually going to change. This is the day where you're going to get that year transformation and realize how much you've changed. This is the start of something great. Take that freaking selfie. I don't care if you look clapped. I don't care if it's 11 p.m. Document that history. You're probably not going to think much of it right now, but in a year, in 2 years, you're going to realize how much you changed. Alright, we're in this nice little greenhouse. I'm gonna pull up some selfies on my phone and just talk about why I took them, why it happened, and what I learned from it, so you can get some examples. Alright, you know what? We're gonna start off with this one. We're gonna start off with this one that's Saturday, March 5th, 2022, at nighttime when I was just playing some video games. And the reason why I took this photo was because I had some online friends at the time, and I used it as my IRL picture because, you know, we never went on Zoom calls or anything like that because it would be way too awkward and embarrassing to do that. So I just took a little selfie of myself and sent it to the guys, and yeah, that's my first selfie. And I sent another IRL picture to my friend because I was way more confident. I was like, oh, do you want to do a IRL trade? We can see how we look like. You know, I got a lot more confident with that. That's another good thing. Share the selfies that you have with other people to really push yourself out there more. Alright, so this is the first selfie that I ever took. Saturday again, April 16th, 2022. It's the first day where I really discovered the improving your life stuff like that. I was watching a video about mewing and how to mew, make your jawline look better and things. And then this picture, the day after, Sunday, April 17th, 2022, I relapsed that day. So, you know, I just took a picture because I was mad that I did it and I didn't want to do it again. Yeah, May 7th, 2022, this is the other IRL I sent to my friend. This is when I stole someone's hat in 8th grade. Bro, this one is crazy. Monday, June 27, 2022. Bro, just look how upset I look in that picture, bro. I am not having a good day. You probably already know why I relapsed. It's late at night. I played a bunch of video games. I look so tired. Do you know how much story and meaning is in every selfie that you take? It really gives you something to remember, and I really hope you can start taking some more selfies. You know what? I'm gonna take a selfie of how I'm in this cool greenhouse that I'm in. Yes, sir. Alright. I'll see you later. I really hope you can think about this and consider subscribing, sharing this around the algorithm. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. Rate this video 10 out of 10 stars so more people can see this, we can take more selfies and change a lot more because of it. And if you want a great way you can change this, stop relapsing all the time, stop scrolling, stop playing so much video games, start making money, start doing cool things, click that Calendly link in the description right now. I can hold you accountable every single day and coach you on the things that I've done in my life to give it specifically straight to you so you can stop doing all these stupid annoying things that hold you back that you don't want to do anymore, and you could feel like you're getting closer to your goals every single day, which is honestly what I've been doing. The amount of progress that I'm feeling in my life, bro, it's just amazing. I really hope you can feel the same, so click that Calendly link in the description right now. And if you want a way to be surrounded with hundreds of people who all share the same goals and all want to get better and all take some selfies, click that like-minded club in the description. I'm in there, hundreds of other people are in there, and we all want to get better. Take that first selfie right now. I'll see you later, bro. Peace.